To my new visitors, welcome. To my subscribers, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your own gel manicures at home with this Amazon haul. Now, you may have found this video because your salon is closed during the pandemic, or maybe you're just searching for cheaper options. Whatever the case is, I'm glad you're here and I hope to save you some money and time in the future. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like, comment any additional tips and tricks that you guys may have, and subscribe for future content. As a disclaimer, I am not a professional by any means. These are just some tips and tricks that help me get the desired results that I wanted. My reasoning for doing this is because as I continued to go to the salon, my manicures were being more and more rushed, and I was just spending so much money, including leaving a tip, that I wanted to learn to do this on my own and hopefully help some others do the same. We're going to start by filing the nails to make a smooth surface. Be very careful not to file your natural nail too thin. Flip your nail to the desired length. File your nail to the desired shape and go in the same direction so that the edge of the nail is smoother. And now you're ready to apply your cuticle oil. This does come in the kit. I let this sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. Go ahead and push those cuticles back. Be careful not to hurt yourself. And now you're ready to trim. Again, be careful when trimming. You do not want to clip any of the live skin cells. Go ahead and use some rubbing alcohol to get all of that oil off because it's time to paint. You're going to apply this latex around your cuticle and around your fingers so that if you do make any mistakes, you can easily clean them. Now you're ready to apply your base coat. You'll need to cure for 30 to 45 seconds in between each coat. On your first coat of polish, don't go all the way to the cuticle, and then on your second coat, go ahead and go from the cuticle all the way down. This made for a smoother and cleaner looking finish. Now you're ready for your top coat. I prefer a matte over the clear top coat because if there are any imperfections, it will sort of blur it. Go ahead and rub off all the latex. It should be very easy to remove. And use the soft side of the file to file away any imperfections. Apply the cuticle oil that came in the kit, or you may use your own oil. This is a body oil that I got from Target. Either or will work. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it saves you some time and money in the future. If you liked this video, be sure to leave a like. Again, comment any tips and tricks that you guys may have, and subscribe for future content. My next video is going to be going over the polygel kits on Amazon. I've already tried them and I really enjoy them, so I can't wait to show you guys.